What's for dinner? Lizards, for starters. Most lizards are insect eaters, insectivores, but some have special diets. Some big lizards are carnivores and eat animals such as birds, rodents, or other lizards. A few lizards are plant eaters, herbivores. The insectivore. The Sinai-agma is a slender lizard. It has long, thin limbs, which make it good at running over the hot sand when it hunts in the heat of the day. It feeds on ants and other insects, but it also eats sand. The vegetarian. One plant-eating lizard is a green iguana, which survives on a complex diet of leaves, shoots, flowers, and fruit. It can't digest animal protein well, although it may sometimes accidentally eat small insects and other invertebrates when they are attached to vegetation. Frog food that moves. Most frogs are carnivores. Nearly all of them eat insects and other invertebrates like worms, spiders, and centipedes. But some of the bigger frogs take on larger prey such as mice, birds, and other frogs. The cannibal. The American bullfrog is the largest North American frogs, growing up to 8 inches in length. These frogs are voracious eaters and will eat anything they can fit into their exceedingly large mouth. This includes insects and other invertebrates, rodents, birds, snakes, and even other bullfrogs. The frutivore. Ezekin's Brazilian tree frog is one of the very few plant-eating frogs living in bromeliads in the Brazil coastal moist forests. It eats brightly colored berries from around plants to fruit from the cocoa tree. The frog helps to disperse plant seeds in its poop. The mighty eater. Poison dart frogs use poison in their skin to deter potential predators. They get their poison from their food. The strawberry poison dart frog gets its toxins from a mite that lives in the soil in Central and South America. The frog also eats small invertebrates. As the frog eats its food, the toxic chemical builds up in its body, which makes it more poisonous. The sponge muncher. Hawksbill turtles live around coral reefs, rich in marine life. They can eat a range of prey, but they mainly live on the diet of primitive plant-like animals called sponges. The turtles are named after their sharp bird-like beaks that make it easier for them to reach sponges growing in crevices between rocks and corals. The cruncher. Longhead turtles mainly eat hard-shelled creatures such as crabs, conchs, and clams. Their big heads and strong jaws help them crush shells, and they can hold their breath for up to 20 minutes on their dives down to the sea floor. Sea turtles. The diet of sea turtles vary between species. Some eat a wide range of food, both plants and animals, but others have special diets with adaptations that make it easier to eat particular things. The jelly eater. Leatherback turtles are the biggest turtles in the world. They live on a diet of jellyfish and calm jellies, which both are made up of mostly water. To get enough energy and nutrients to grow so big, leatherbacks eat a huge quantity of food and sometimes eat their own weight in jellyfish that day. The Gila monster stores fat in its thick, stumpy tail. It is this energy that stores that allows it to survive for months without food.